Hey guys, Jay Hatch here, your sales and leasing consultant at Whitby Mazda, and I got a quick video for you here on how to change the battery on your Mazda key fob if it looks like this. This particular one's for a 2016 Mazda CX-5, but if yours looks like this and the battery's starting to go, here's how you're going to open it up and replace the battery. I've got Rudy from my parts department doing that. I always recommend people go straight to your Mazda dealership, go straight to the parts department, have them open it up and do that so you're not going to crack and damage the key fob, and this is exactly how he did it. Zoom, baby. Hey guys, we're going to do a quick video here on how you would change the battery on your Mazda fob. And this particular one is for a 2016 Mazda CX-5, but if your Mazda fob looks like this is how you would change the battery. So we've got a little, it's a little razor blade or something just to open that up. And just pops in there. So first you're going to take the key out, which you can always have access to, and then pop open the sides. Opens right up, and you can see there's a battery in there. It's like one of those small round watch batteries. It's look like this guy right here. That's showing up, and then pops right in. Cover it back up. Snaps together. Bob's your uncle. Perfect. And the batteries, we have them here for, I think it's $9.99 is what they retail for. You can get them anywhere, but if you come into your Mazda dealership, we'll make sure you get the right battery, put it together right for you, and we've got a working fob again. Awesome. Thanks, Rudy.
Welcome.